हेलो किड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। पहले जान लेते हैं कलर्स नेम। ऑरेंज कलर, रेड कलर, येलो कलर, and last one is green. Orange color. A for auto. A for auto. Red color. B for bus. B for bus. Yellow color. C for car. C for car. Green color. D for doll. D for doll. Orange color. E for eye. E for eye. Red color. F for fruits. F for fruits. Yellow color. G for ginger. G for ginger. Orange color. H for heart. H for heart. Red color. I for igloo. I for igloo. Yellow color. J for jacket. J for jacket. Green color. K for kids. K for kids. Orange color. L for lemon. L for lemon. Red color. M for mountain. M for mountain. Yellow color. N for nail. N for nail. Green color. O for ocean. O for ocean. Red color. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. Yellow color. Q for quarrel. Q for quarrel. Green color. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Orange color. S for snake. S for snake. Red color. T for telephone. T for telephone. Yellow color. U for universe. U for universe. Red color. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Yellow color. W for water lily. W for water lily. Green color. X X for Xerox. X for Xerox.
X for Xerox. X for Xerox. Orange color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Red color. Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.